Totally updated with attention to detail in 2020, this co-op with a spacious open floor plan is just what you have been looking for. Shows bright and spacious with lots of natural light, definitely move-in condition. Conveniently located on the first floor, no waiting for the elevator. You will appreciate the high ceilings, larger than normal eat-in kitchen with tons of cabinets, quartz countertops, tiled backsplash, stainless steel appliances and a pantry, with an updated bath, double custom closets and easy garage parking. There is nothing to do but move in and enjoy. Helpful Super lives on site in this beautiful, well-maintained building, located on a quiet side street yet convenience to all. The city of White Plains offers restaurants, shopping, gym, entertainment, just a short walk to all, including Metro North. Catch the 36-minute express train to New York City. Make an appointment to see this place today.